it's PR Princess back with another tutorial how-to on Mixer. Today we're going to talk about, in less than a minute, how to activate your notifications for your most favorite live streamer on Mixer and how to make sure they are activated. So you're going to click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the browser, click on Accounts, click on the third tab over for Notifications, and scroll down. You want to make sure when it says went live, click on Mixer website or to your email, and then just find your streamer, whichever page it may be on, and make sure you have them activated by just clicking the check marks on how you want your certain notifications to be sent out of when they're live. You could also enable other notifications here if you wanted to as well. And there you go. There you have it. See you guys on the next tutorial how to. Bye!